Denny, and welcome to my vlog. This is going to be out of my nutrition one, and I'm going to start using the BioTRUST chocolate time released 4 protein blend, and as you can see the descriptions of it. And to mix it, directions where I add 2 scoops to 8 ounces of water or milk, mix smoothly, and then consume immediately. So we're going to try this and see how we do. As we can see, the size of the scoop. We want 2 of these. Alright. Okay, here we go. See how that shakes up. Looks like it's shaking, mixing up pretty easily. A lot of proteins don't mix up. Of course, this is in water, so we'll see how this. Gotta find out how it tastes. Well, it's not too bad. Like they say, you want to get it down as soon as you can. So that's basically what I did. It doesn't have a lingering taste to it, so that's definitely a positive. But main thing is it gonna work? But it's not bad tasting, so it's not a big deal when it comes to that. So you see how it works. Try it for the next 60 days. I got an order coming. I believe it's strawberry banana. So they have like 7 or 8 different flavors that I've never seen in proteins before. So I'm kind of curious to find out how they taste. The chocolate isn't bad. So here's your ingredients. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next nutrition.